We import Uvicorn to run the FastAPI application, FastAPI, and request to build web routes, form to receive HTML form data, HTML response for rendering HTML pages, Jinja2 templates for template rendering, NumPy for numerical arrays, and logistic regression to build a simple machine learning model. We create the FastAPI application instance and configure Jinja2 to load HTML templates from the templates directory so dynamic web pages can be rendered. We prepare a small training dataset where each row contains two features, the patient's age and the number of days they have experienced symptoms. The labels indicate whether the appointment should be considered normal or high priority. We initialize a logistic regression classifier and train it using the sample dataset so it can predict appointment urgency for new patients. We create an empty in-memory list that stores all booked appointments while the application is running. This get endpoint handles requests to the homepage and returns an HTML page instead of JSON using FastAPI's HTML response. We render the index.html template and pass the current request object along with a list of appointments so they can be displayed on the web page. This post endpoint receives appointment information submitted through an HTML form. FastAPI automatically extracts and validates the form fields before passing them into the function. We send the patient's age and symptom duration to the trained machine learning model, then convert the numeric prediction into a human-readable urgency level of either high or normal. We create a dictionary containing the appointment details and append it to our in-memory appointments list so it can be displayed on future page loads. After successfully booking the appointment, we render the homepage again while passing additional values that indicate the booking succeeded and display the predicted urgency level. This starts the FastAPI application with the Uvicorn ASGI server, making it accessible on port 8000 from any device connected to the local network. Now here is our index.html where I have designed the all-user interface. If you would like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.